The Emeril Lagasse Power Grill 360 combines an indoor grill with a countertop convection toaster oven, so it can handle grilling, air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating in one compact appliance. Its spacious interior and generous cooking area on top make it practical for preparing a full family meal at once, from burgers and vegetables to pizzas and side dishes. The high-heat grill plate delivers real sear marks and keeps meats juicy, giving you a backyard-style char without the smoke that usually comes with indoor grilling. Powerful heating and a simple touch control panel with preset programs make it easy to go from frozen to nicely cooked food without much guesswork. The included set of accessories, from the grill grate and baking pan to the crisping basket and drip trays, adds flexibility and makes it easier to keep the unit clean. A clear glass lid and stainless steel exterior give it a sturdy, polished feel while letting you watch your food as it cooks without constantly opening the grill.